Hello, friends of Trade Ideas. Welcome back to Monday Trading. Yesterday, I posted a video of me doing the replays to help me get ready. And here's how I'm trading today's market. And once again, it's when the market is tricky is really when you need trade ideas the most because of this data display. Notice what keeps coming up. Okay. I mean, you would have had roughly 2 years worth of returns if you could have been in this stock. That's the name of the game right here, 178%. Okay, let's look at PLRX, 120%. And these are not specifically just the gap ups. I mean, there are some gap ups, but these are also gains from the open because that's what I have it sorted by. And that's what my race is. So there are quite a bit of amazing trades available for you. And notice I've got the weekly at the bottom and the daily on 30 minutes at the top. This way I have the full bigger picture of what it is that I'm trying to do. I mean, look at this move right here, right? I did not catch this one because again, I do other things other than just trading, trade ideas, business stuff. But let me just say how I would play it. So I'm going to click the buy button and I'm going to push the buy button to here. This is a big pullback. And what I'm going to do is just, play this pullback this way. And I'm going to tighten the stop right to here. So again, I don't want to stay in it for too long. If I buy it here, I'm hoping that this is the area of, the support. Right here, and I'm gonna get out right there, and we'll just see what happens. But again, this is how I approach trading, and this is the advantage player view. Look at these beautiful setups. Once again, I'm just gonna do my standard routine, and you should be doing the same thing. Okay. It's this easy. Just put your orders in and let the P&L sort itself out. Hope you enjoy.